Hey friends, today I'm sharing a story that's close to my heart, a memory baked into every bite of these orange and cardamom rock buns. Growing up in Jamaica, tea time with my grandmother was more than a moment. It was a feeling, the kind that wrapped you up in comfort. We'd sit on the veranda in the late afternoon light, sipping tea, sharing secrets, and she'd gently offer advice like she was passing down little treasures. There was always something warm from the oven, and rock buns, they were my favorite. Soft inside, golden outside, and never too sweet, just enough to make you smile between sips of tea. Today, I'm giving them a little twist. Bright orange zest, fragrant cardamom, and juicy raisins. Simple ingredients, but when they come together, it's magic. I mix the dough gently, no machines, just my hands. Butter rubbed into flour, sugar, spice, and fruit folded in with care. The texture is rough, imperfect, and that's exactly how it should be. Each bun is its own little story. As they bake, the house fills with a warm, citrusy aroma that feels like home, like love, like peace. When I break one open, I think of her. Her voice, her laughter, the way she made even the quiet moments feel special. These rock buns carry that memory, and I hope in some small way they bring you that same comfort. If this reminded you of someone you love or just gave you a moment to breathe, go ahead and leave a comment, and subscribe for more cozy recipes and stories from my kitchen to yours.